Next time you cook some chicken or you have some leftover chicken, make this sandwich. There are some people who are turned off by leftovers, but I guarantee that if you make this sandwich, they'll never say no to your leftovers again. Now let's get this sandwich started. Let's make a chipotle sauce. You'll need some chipotles. I'm dropping in 3 and chopping them up. Next, I'm dropping in 2 generous tablespoons of mayo and give it a mix. Let's make this avocado lime cilantro dressing. Get yourself a nice ripe avocado. Slice it up and let's add it to our blender along with 1 serrano, a small handful of cilantro, the zest of half a lime, and the juice of the full lime. Let's add 3 generous tablespoons of sour cream or Mexican crema and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Drop in some white pepper. Now black pepper is fine, but I don't want the specks. Let's salt to taste. Remember, you can always adjust later. Let's blend. Now you'll definitely want to shake a little bit in between blends. Or you could drop in some water, a tablespoon at a time, or some lime juice to make your blending easier. But don't make it too watery. Once everything is blended well, let's take a look. Now this is the consistency you want. For easy serving, let's put it into a squeeze bottle. Okay, let's prep our bun. I'm using 4 Hawaiian rolls, unseparated, and I'll split them in half. Let's toast them on the grill or the oven. Let's get our chicken ready. Drop in your pulled chicken. Now, if you don't have any leftover chicken, be sure to check out the end of the video and I'll point you towards some outstanding chicken cooks that I've done on my channel. I'm also dropping in some compound butter for an extra flavor boost. Let's add some cheese, lots and lots of cheese. Let's melt the cheese in the oven or on the grill. Once the buns are toasted, let's build out this sandwich. Add our chipotle sauce. And then our cheesy pulled chicken patty we made. Drop in that avocado spread. As a last minute decision, I'm dropping some additional avocado. Let's cut and add a few slices. And there we have it. The perfect leftover chicken sandwich. Heck, you might want to grill some chicken specifically to make this sandwich. Any leftover sauce, use it on salads, tacos, or just to make more sandwiches. Let's give it a taste. This is the heftiest chicken sandwich I've ever had. Let's give it a shot. I can't say enough about this sandwich. It was outstanding. The first thing that comes, it's that lime, that cilantro avocado spread. It's fantastic. The second thing that hits you is that chipotle mayo. The spiciness of the chipotle is not a lot, but you get that smokiness, you get a little bit of heat, and it's fantastic. It really complements the sandwich. Now the pulled chicken is already well seasoned, but the compound butter, it adds a lot to it. Everything works really well. Now, if you don't have any leftover chicken, then make sure to check out that playlist. I cook chicken all kinds of ways, so make sure to check it out. And until the next time, please hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Make this. Damn, that's good.